If you want to know how to buy shares of Cathay Pacific Airways, this quick guide will walk you through the process for the HKEX listing. Ticker 293. HK. Cathay Pacific operates passenger and cargo air services. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will usually need to verify your identity with a document and add funds before buying. Open the platform search and type the ticker 293 HK to find Cathay Pacific's HKEX listing. Make sure the market and company name match so you select the correct share. On the asset page, review the company summary and the recent price chart to understand the listing at a glance. Confirm the issuer name, market HKEX and ticker 293. HK, so you know it is the right stock. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it alongside other holdings. For the eToro example, the link is in the description. And remember, this is an educational guide only.